In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a histogram in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get ready to work with your data. A histogram is a type of chart used to show how numerical data is distributed across different ranges, which are often called bins. This makes it especially useful when you want to analyze values such as test scores, sales amounts, ages, or other number-based information. Instead of showing each individual value separately, a histogram groups the data into ranges so you can quickly spot patterns, clusters, or gaps. For this example, we'll use a simple set of sample test scores: 55, 62, 68, 71, 82, 85, 88, 91, 94, and 97. Enter your numerical data into a single column in Excel. You can place it in cells like A1 through A13, depending on whether you also include a heading. Keeping all the numbers in one column helps Excel read the data correctly and build the chart more smoothly. Once your data is entered, select the full data range. Then go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon. From there, click Insert Statistic Chart and choose Histogram. Excel will automatically generate the histogram for you. At this point, you'll see your values grouped into ranges along the horizontal axis, with the height of each bar showing how many values fall into each range. If you want to change how the ranges are grouped, right-click the horizontal axis and choose Format Axis. Under Axis Options, you'll find several useful controls. Bin Width lets you decide the size of each range. Number of bins controls how many groups appear in the chart. Overflow Bin lets you group all values above a certain number together, and Underflow Bin does the same for values below a certain number. These settings are helpful when you want the chart to match the story your data is telling. To make the chart easier to understand, add a title. Click the histogram. Then click the Chart Elements button, which appears as a plus sign next to the chart. Check Chart Title, then type a clear title, such as Distribution of Test Scores. One important tip: a histogram is different from a regular column chart. In a histogram, the bars represent continuous numerical ranges, and they normally touch each other. That touching layout helps show that the data is part of a continuous scale. If you're using an older version of Excel, such as Excel 2007 or 2010, you can still create a histogram by using the Data Analysis Toolpack. Go to Data, then Data Analysis, then Histogram. If that option isn't available, you may need to enable the Analysis Toolpack first through File, Options, and Add-ins.